Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dale and today we have a very special install. Today we are going to be installing the new billet aluminum pedals from Ultimate Pedals. Now, of course, first shout out to Ultimate Pedals for sending a sample over. I am super grateful and super excited to get this on the BMW E46. I'm definitely going to be replacing the old tired OEM BMW performance pedals, which unfortunately is wearing down and of course is withering away. I myself has been a firm believer on the BMW performance line, and it's time to let it go. I think it's time for a change and it's time to try something new. So let's get right into it and let's see how this looks like once it's installed. Now for the clutch pedal, I am going to just use 3M adhesive tape to mount it onto the Rogue Engineering aluminum clutch pedal. I don't want to drill holes onto it yet. It's such a beautiful piece that I still love and adore. So shout out to Rogue once again. But for now, for the first piece, I'm going to use 3M adhesive tape to mount it on. Let's install it. Here we are, first installation of this pedal done. It fits like a glove. Like the aluminum pedal for the Rogue Engineering one compared to this one is roughly the same size. I think this Ultimate pedal is actually just like a tad bigger, but it laid up on top very nicely. It was sitting super flush, no irregularities anywhere. So far, I love the look. Very clean, very clean. Now, let's get this, the brake in, and also I'm gonna try the gas pedal. I think the gas pedal behind it has like an adhesive, like a 3M factory adhesive to it. I might have to get some fishing line or maybe some floss to like kind of rip it out, but we'll see. Let's first get it off. All right, so we finally got the brake pedal off. Now this is the old brake pedal. As you can tell, over time, the aluminum here, the finish from the factory is not that great and it's starting to, I guess, crack. Some moisture is getting in there and it's just getting underneath the paint and definitely needs a refresh. So what I did here was I used vice grips to clamp onto the screw nut and then just use the Torx drill bit to unscrew it. So right now we're gonna do the same and we're gonna install the Ultimate pedal ones, and hopefully this will be easier than uninstalling it. Let's get it. So what's great about Ultimate pedals is, of course, they provide the hardware as well. They provide the screw nut, a washer, and you apply it with Phillips screwdrivers. And usually the instruction manual said that people obviously like to do it on the four corners. I've seen people just do like one on top right, one on bottom left only. It's really up to you. I'm gonna try my best to do all four corners since I have my brake pedal drilled already and there's the holes there. So I'm gonna try and just get this reinstalled. Let's get it. Okay, so after a grueling half an hour, I finally got on of course, the brake pedal. Now the brake pedal, unfortunately, the holes did not align with the original install from the BMW Performance pedals. So I only mounted top left and bottom left for now. If it's a problem, then I'm gonna have to uninstall it and put some 3M adhesive onto it as well. But so far, it's looking solid. The only thing that I did have trouble with was, of course, getting it bolted on with the nut and the washer at the back. I tried my best to get it as tight as possible, but I went ahead without the washer. Now, don't kill me in the comments, but going without the washer, it's okay. I just felt that if I had the washer on, it was going to rattle a lot. So I made the executive decision to just remove it completely. So don't take this as the Bible of installs, but this is just a personal preference for me. But finally, I got out the BMW Performance aluminum pedal as well. The only trouble was, of course, the backing. The backing was very sticky. It had adhesive at the back before and definitely took me a while to take it out. So this is the pedal. Still love this product. I am still a BMW Performance kind of guy, but it's getting a little dated, it's getting a little old. So let's switch it up and see how the new billet aluminum gas pedal look and feel. So I'm gonna try my best to mount this on. Once again, the holes, they are of course not big enough for the screws. I'm gonna try to reuse the screws from my original BMW Performance gas pedal. See how it is. Let's get it. And of course, just a quick comparison. You could tell that the gas pedal for the BMW Performance line is way shorter than the Ultimate Pedal aluminum gas pedal is. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I am a little bit concerned about the install, but I'm gonna do the same. I'm going to add some 3M adhesive tape to the back of this so that it stays, and I'm gonna reuse the hardware from here that I had installed on the OEM pedal and apply it here since the hole is already there. So in hindsight, I kind of should have done that for the brake and clutch pedal, but at the same time, it might not match the holes that Ultimate Pedal provided. So I'm going to get this going, and then hopefully we'll have a new pedal to play with. Let's go. Okay, we're almost done. I'm sweating so much. It's 30 degrees right here in Toronto, but I did the adhesive backing. It's very kind of clapped, for lack of a better word, but I want to make sure that I can uninstall this. I want to make sure that this mod is, of course, reversible as well. So this will do for now. Oh, okay. Finally, guys, we are done with this Ultimate Pedal aluminum install. I am super happy about the aesthetics. I think if I was to redo this again for the brake pedal wise, I think I'm going to maybe add some adhesive on the back as well. It's clicking a little bit due to the fact that I didn't screw on all 4 screws and it's just on 2 screws right now. So I think if I was to go back and refine this install, I'm going to add in the 3M adhesive on the back as well. Now, so far, it's amazing. Like the bite on it, once you step on it, it's next to none. It's way grippier than the OEM BMW Performance pedals. And right now, it just kind of grabs onto my foot, if that makes sense, whenever I clutch in or whenever I tap on the brakes. And I think I could like heel toe a little better. I could get a really good grasp of where the pedal is with, of course, my foot. So definitely, I think this is the best performance pedals right now out there in the market that you could, you know, customize to your liking. Like I said, the one that I wanted the stock formation. I really do appreciate how the stock one looks. You can get a left extended, upper left extended, bottom left extended, and you can also customize the wideness of the brake pedal as well. So definitely this is an amazing mod. Shout out to Robert. Robert, if you're watching this, thank you very much. I really do appreciate you and your craftsmanship. I will for sure be recommending this product to any E46 enthusiasts that are looking to upgrade aside from the BMW Performance line. So once again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channels. It really helps me a lot in the long run. But until then, see you next time.